Nana Kwame Bediako, also known as Freedom Jacob Caesar, was born and raised in Ghana. From an early age, he dreamed of success, despite coming from a modest background, and was determined to rise beyond the limitations of his environment. As a teenager, he moved to London, where he began his entrepreneurial journey.
You see, it's amazing. Say, from young age, no vision. Yes, Nana Kwame Bediako, even from the young age, no vision. On making the first 1 million at the age of early 20s. You know, $1 million, that's a lot of money. And he did not steal the opportunities. He tapped into them. He's a self-motivator. You can't be a self-motivator. Or be a ocean who crying. No, who said, wherever I am, I can make it. Opportunities. The opportunity that he sees is what we are lacking in Ghana. Your memory, your presidents, no only opportunities. They don't see opportunities. COVID was opportunity for Ghana to leap above the other nations, but instead we made sure that Ghana went down. Also, the the tiger by and says a tiger cannot survive in Africa. The tigers have survived. It's also said the word impossible does not exist within. Sadi Pase or your president, I'm telling you, the country will move forward. Now, there will be more. There be a blame game, and now when Ghana is standing still, and you watching me. It's time to put on your thinking cap and tell yourself, say, the impossibility has become what possible through Nana Kwame Bediako. But no, whether number 1, number 2, number 20, what God has spoken, He has spoken. Until we are coming all over into your constituency, 276, we are bringing you a message. What I need from you is to spread it, spread the word. Hello, I Xposed GHFM members, but it's still Chada's time. Nene, me break each other, me breaking the move. What do you say? You break one, I will break you. Thank you for all the wonderful messages. The subscription is too much. I salute you. And yeah, mood be the I can say yeah, but bother no. Into more time, you bother yam boom. Because you start campaign, no. 276 constituencies here, but before I go into them. BBC, almost something about Chada. Yes, Ghana, we have a great man. Let's support him. Let's encourage him. Let's push him on. Now, program no obi yebisa say who is Chada. Share video ne bra eba.
Be banner move Petronia, me models, maybe it is faces, 3 faces, Bako ye technology hub, Bako ye petrochemicals, industrial hub, and a Bako so ye energy city. Almost quite a petroleum hub. Me was aseno, me will be me will plants no, minim crofono, mobile machines in Yamaye, Minina will be and show and will be and few. Tim sorry, Jinaho, for Mebunu no more cromano, and the ma. Munya Juma say, Mrs. situation way. Now me introduce 16 regional industrial revolutionary on my best because on my see Yakasano, there was 16 regions, but one pen active. Accra, bebia ye hu ne ekoso me call go so me hu say plywood factory or ehwehwe ma buroni bi dia se Ghana ukọ Accra na omo say Accra ye kuro no obeba no say ye hotel enye Lebanese dia na ye buroni dia se bibia free ensa ene Ghana bank kura no ye ni bi Ghana ni bi ani bank bibia free ensa governance na ye mpanyifo di omudi animu na no se ye san de akọhye slave trade na emu bia ani ne yesa akomu no na omo say omo ye after African free trade edie ben na ye wo Ghana ha yanka say ye produce a ye be trade amongst ourselves enso ben kura na ye bie kwanda so a ye betinya aka say ye twetwe ya containers na ya trade normal na chese obi na eba be ye normal no na waton amaye nti ye betena asa na China for ne Korean for abesisi factories na omo de normal na omo manufacture na omo ye minerals no omo de amaye say yenkoton nya bibi nketin di so eno sa no de emba so because mabunu ayabai ye hu technology ye hu wiase ye hu no mabi ye hu say gas pipeline so unya na utimi e build power plant na build power plant no na we turbine windmills any solar na would combine bibia ubenya energy no energy no so say anti tariff ni so amba 9 to 11 cents obi enu obi free abrochire akase oba besi in the factory kakraka bi wa ha ama chese systems na ye industrial no akoso na foreign investment no aya doso obi enu a obi free ni krom abesi factory wo ha obeka se sika na obenya wo mu no o de ba besi hospital wo Ghana ha there bi ne nyana ni da so ne so oba betwe ne ye wo no de kọ because ye nim na ye sie kuro ye na ye boa nipa na omo wo mu edom na omo wo mu no omo nyina anya adwuma na omo ti business ase a enkrofo bakra na omo hwe kuro no se na sie e kọ na omo nka se omo ba betwe akọ ebi omo ba betena because obi o Ghana ha o to gold and so to Dubai ana baby ewo no so e England I didn't know ko Dubai because Dubai na si omo kuro no ne we say ote hɔ a ne ho tɔ no no ma bi wɔ hɔ a ne ho tɔ no wom obaha entisa.
You see, it's amazing. Say, from young age, no vision. Yes. Nana Kwame Bediako, even from the young age, no vision. 80 on making the first 1 million at the age of early 20s. Do you know $1 million? That's a lot of money. And he did not steal. Who the opportunities, he tapped into them. He's a self-motivator. You can't be a self-motivator or be a shining who crying. No, who say, wherever I am, I can make it. Or who opportunities. The opportunity that he sees is what we are lacking in Ghana. Your memory, your presidents, no only name opportunities. They don't see opportunities. COVID was opportunity for Ghana to leap above the other nations, but instead we made sure say Ghana went down. Aye. Opportunities be branya media man no. Our leaders didn't see the opportunities, but chada from the corner bring opportunities no. And those opportunities no, and carrying and look at the mansions that he's springing up, the ideas, or say I am bringing what I've learned to here. Young penny for the Omo Yare and Omo to cry across South Africa. Why don't you have that same class, world-class facilities here? So that's all Yare, we can take care of you. Jimmy Pro Max. Jimmy and Pro Max. That's what we have. Because and yes, sir, what you go out there and see, you try to what? Replicate it here. Oko Dubai now, so who say Anya. And na sabi obi enya nyansa no de asi ye wasase papa, what are we doing? Obroni ko wase mentena ho. I am coming to Africa. Another video I'm share. Wase ne nti o the tiger buy and am catch say tiger cannot survive in Africa. The tigers have survived. It's Ocho say the word impossible does not exist with him. Sadi Pase or your president, I'm telling you, the country will move forward. Na ya will be more. There be a blame game. And now when Ghana is standing still. And you watching me, it's time to put on your thinking cap and tell yourself, say, the impossibility has become what? Possible. through Nana Kwame Bediako. We are pushing an agenda to change NPP and NDC because they have not helped us. For 32 years, they have ruled. Besides, what have they done for Ghana? A hardship, or come, and nobody the 3 times are Nyamia Dum. And now you're calling out for another car. Yeah, you can buy a car. Aye. And their health is down. Everything is down. Because the very fiber nature of Nyaman and yet. And now let me tell you, NPP. I say, it's time we change the dynamics of our democracy. Yes, the dynamics means say, Nyama Bebroma is not helping Ghana. The winner takes all. And me away, me away. Are you not a Ghanaian? Me, I'm a Ghanaian, proud Ghanaian. Yeah, no. After never started torno. 276 districts. Yanko Hembra, Yaba, Yabim.
And electoral areas, 34,000 polling stations. We will visit everyone and we will stop the poverty in this country. There is a new beginning now. I know that the voice did not wake up early, but better late than never. Now I am here. You are here, we are here, and we are going to turn it all around again. Thank you very much. I want to thank everybody. My wife is here, my mom is here, my sister General Lulu, all the security, all the team, all the people. Ghana is a new day. On the 7th of December, I want you to know something. You are going to have the first power and experience the power that you've always had, but you've never used it right. This December coming, we are going to use the power that God has given us right. And we are going to make a decision that will change this nation, that will change this country, that will change the lives of the people in this country forever and ever. And together, we will move together. We will not stand because we will be separated. But as we move together, we will be united. And we will win this fight ahead of us. Now, Ghana, let's go. Let's go.
I say, I am bringing you hope to 276 constituencies in Ghana. Every constituency, I'm bringing you hope. The tour has begun. Let's make noise about the new force, Nana Kwame Bediako. I don't want to mention the number 12 for a reason, because I have information. The number 12 might be number 10 in few days to come. I have information. The number 12 on the ballot, anything I mean, it might be number 10 soon, because some things are changing. But not whether number 1, number 2, number 20. What God has spoken, He has spoken. Until we are coming all over into your constituency, 276, we are bringing you a message. What I need from you is to spread it, spread the word. Spread the word. We are coming like a kai. We will take Ghana by storm. We will take it by what? Intellect. Again, and yes, Sabe, Jimmy, the youth of today, that doesn't mean who demonstration of Vamawo, another stupid man. Why can't the police arrest that fucking boy? He took the keys of a police and ran away. And John Mahama, you didn't say anything because you condone such lawlessness. You should have said something. Vamawo, another stupid boy, crazy man. You don't see that man is crazy. That is not the kind of youth that we need. Who's some demonstration? That's what we need. You hear Sani? To send Nana Kwame Bediako to lead the battle and to tell us, so we are using the brains to what? Develop Ghana. We don't need violence. Violence for the weak and stupid people. So everybody who is violent, you are stupid. The intellect uses their mind to change. That's what we do. So it's time to use the mind to change. Tell somebody to tell somebody, said now is the time. If we don't push forward and take this country from where it is now, Ghana will go into what we call abyss. You know abyss? When you talk about abyss, aye. Like I keep on saying, it's challenge time. Nana Kwame Bediako. Let's spread the word. Ya start consideration ya nam baby aton ya ko ya ba obubu anu ya be cancel papa. Listen and vote wisely. Me, I'll vote. I'll vote for the new force. What about you? I expose you HFM members. If I don't subscribe, subscribe. Don't be I'm out.